Good morning. It is August the 15th. Man, summer is 5/6 over. Time flies. Um, we're starting to point to the last vacations or a little bit of time off for the summer, culminating in Labor Day. Our first full market where everybody's back and everybody's there to play will be September the 11th. Everybody thinks it starts the day after Labor Day, but that's the week where people come back and set their plan for what they're going to do this fall. We'll start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, peace is breaking out all over the Far East. North Korea has quit talking about Guam. The selling that was associated with the potential for war with North Korea, which was always pretty remote, is de-escalating quickly. So peace is back on. Buy stocks, sell treasuries, sell gold, sell the euro, buy the dollar, and that's where we find ourselves this morning. So treasuries are pointed lower because the rhetoric of war is quickly fading in the Far East. China's embargo or cancellation of purchasing North Korean commodities, which is their only export, probably has had its effect. Russia and China came together over the weekend and said they had a plan to de-escalate this, defuse it, and looks like that may have taken place. Okay, we have news. Japan's industrial production greatly exceeded the forecast. Germany's GDP was 0.1% lower, but it was still +6 than forecast. So the economic news out around the world is positive, showing economic growth. The United States has news today that should support economic growth. Retail sales +0.3. Ex-autos +0.3. That will be the news focus. Well, let's see the spelling not working this morning for me. Empire State Manufacturing Survey +9.8. Import-export prices, both of them up 0.2. Business inventories up 0.4. That's actually shows that businesses are stocking up and planning on economic growth, supporting what's going on, especially if you put it in the context of just-in-time inventories and management that way. Then the housing market index at 65. So the focus is going to be retail sales, ex-autos, plus the direction of the E-mini. And I think the market's probably in a pause phase right now, so I think the market's probably going to have trouble in the 2475 area. That's my guess. Right now, everything in the stock market is pointed higher. Right now, everything in treasuries is pointed lower. So our first sell will be 11 to 15. And it might take an 8 to get in. So we'll put a question mark here in this 8 to 10 area. 19 to 23, sell 2. Market is weakened since I did the first data. First buy 1 to 5. 25 to 29, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, first band of support is going to be 8 to 12. Buying 1 to 5, which would be new lows. and then 21 to 25 for buy 2. Right now the market is pointed lower. On the sell side, 20 to 24, number 1, selling 27s to 31s, 3s to 7s. Gold suffered overnight. The talk of war is off. We still haven't gotten our stops above 1300. Still within reach. So where's the breakout? Probably looks like the breakout's down here from the 1267 area. So stops below 75, 73.75 buy 1, 69.71 buy 2. Retail sales numbers come in strong today. The economy's getting better. No need to protect yourself from economic catastrophe, right? 80 to 82, sell 1. 85, 87, sell 2. Euro's lower because peace is coming to the Far East. No reason to sell a dollar. So, pretty good support down here in the 1725, 1740 area. So we'll make 40 to 50 buy 1 and 1725 buy 2. On the sell side, 1775, then 90 to 118 even, sell 2. Okay, when crude gets slammed, normally it's a pause day. Some relief. Right now it's pointed lower. We talked about this 46.75. So we'll play for stops below 46. Excuse me, below 47. 46.75, 47 buy 1. And then buy 2 would be 46. You know, the high volume numbers down here at 10. So 46.25, 46.50. On the sell side, 47.50, 47.75, sell 1. 48 even, 48 1/4, sell 2. And the E-mini. Pointed higher. You can see we have a pretty clean break in the market up here in the 73.75 area. We have the Asian high right here at 73, so everything is pointed higher. I think we got a pretty good chance to retest, you know, the 72, 73 area anyway, and then stops above 75. So we'll make 74, 76, sell 1, 79, 81, sell 2. I don't think conditions are right to take the market to new highs. That's tended to come on no news days with not much going on. 64, 66 buy 1. and 60, 62 by 2. So support at 60 to 65, resistance at 75 to 80. Retail sales +3. Focus will be X autos +0.3. New York Empire Manufacturing survey 9.8. That'll be lost in the retail sales news. Import-export prices, both of them +0.2%. No one will pay any attention to it. Business inventories could have some impact, just like wholesale inventories, +0.4, showing economic growth. At least inventories are expanding. Then housing market index at 65, which I don't think anybody will pay any attention to today. So retail sales, X autos, possibly business inventories. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'll get busy on that. Back with you as soon as possible in a bit.